spectacular view. Did your husband
Sem
deliver?
flash, Camila.
He deliver.
You're going to wake the kids. Still have to name him. I'd like Nemo.
Nemo? Well, we can name one Nemo, but I'd like most of them to be Marlin Jr. What was that? Get inside Coral. No Coral. Don't go out there. Leave it alone. Coral. No! Yeah, Coral. Coral!
É nada.
There. Daddy's got you. I promise. I will never let anything happen.